Now we will start with this sum. Working note. I'll be showing you the working note first. Now let the total share of the firm be 1. Now what was their profit sharing ratio of Vikram and Pradnya? That was 2:3. Okay. So the total was 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Divided by 5 will be 1. Okay. 5 divided by 5 will be 1. So that is, let the total share be 1. Now Avni is the incoming partner or new partner to be admitted is Avni, and how much we are going to give him for his future profit? He will share 1/4 of the share of profits in the future profits of the firm. So 1 minus new partner share 1/4, remaining how much? 3/4. Okay. Now we will then the remaining, when the remaining share is 3/4, that will be divided among the existing partner, that is Vikram's share and Pradnya's share. Okay, so Vikram's share is equal to 2/5 into what is the remaining share? 3/4. So into 3/4, that is equal to 6/20. Now Pradnya's share. How much was the old share? 3/5 into, now the remaining share is 3/4. That comes to 9/20. Now see, both the partners' denominator is 20. Now Avni's share is how much? How much he is going to share in future profits? He is going to share 1/4. But the denominator here is 4th. So we will have to make it 20. To make it 20, by what number we will divide? We will multiply it. Okay, we will multiply it by 5. So we will keep denominator and numerator same. So 1/4 into 5/5. That will come to 5/20. Is it clear? So now see, 6 plus 9 plus 5, the total comes to 20. So the new profit sharing ratio of Vikram, Pradnya and Avni is 6:9:5. Okay, for 1/4 share, or now the current share of Avni is how much? 5. So we will divide this 5 by the capital that he is contributing. How much he is contributing? 37,500. So divided by 5. So how much? For one ratio you are going to get 7,500. This will be for one ratio or one part of that ratio. So what we are going to do? We are going to then multiply this one ratio by 6 for Vikram's share, by 9 for Pradnya's share, and by 5 for Avni's share. Now this will be the new profit sharing ratio, and this will be the remaining balances of the capital in their new balance sheet. Why I have done all this working? Because they have mentioned in the adjustment that the capital of the new the partners will be adjusted in their new profit sharing ratio, and if any excess amount, that will be shown as loan. Is it understood by you? Now see, now next account, what we are going to make? We are going to make profit and loss adjustment account. Now they had said there will be appreciation in the land and building by 7,500, and there will be depreciation in the value of furniture by 10%. So whatever depreciation on assets, will be written on the debit side and appreciation on assets will be written on the credit side. So see, I have made 2 depreciation on furniture 300. Now 2 RDD. Now RDD is to be provided at 5%, they had said in the adjustment. And how much were the debtors? 87,000. On 87,000, 5% RDD comes to 4,350. Now there is appreciation in the value of land and building by how much? 7,500. Then there is appreciation in the value of stock, that is also 7,500. Now credit side is more. It comes to, the total comes to 15,000, whereas debit side total comes to 4,650. The balance 10,350 is the revaluation profit which will be shared by the existing partners in their old profit sharing ratio, that comes to 4,140 and 6,210. So we have completed here profit and loss adjustment account. Now see what I am going to do. Now I am going to prepare partners capital account. See, I have prepared 3 partners account. On the credit side, I am going to write the balances. So by balance brought down, Vikram 75,000, Pradnya 75,000. Now Avni has brought rupees 37,500 as capital. So bank account debit to Avni's capital account. So in the capital account on the credit side, by bank 37,500. Now he has bought rupees 30,000 as goodwill for the sacrifices that these partners are making, Vikram and Pradnya. So by goodwill 12,000 and 18,000. This will also be distributed in their old profit sharing ratio. Now there is a revaluation profit. How much was the profit? For Vikram 4,140, for Pradnya 6,210. Now on the debit side, now nothing is mentioned on the debit side. So first we are going to write the 2 balance carried down that I had done in the working note. Vikram's share was 45,000, this balance amount. Pradnya's was 67,500 and Avni's 37,500. Now I'm going to write that balances. Now make the credit side totals of all the 3 partners. Avni's is tallying on both the side, 37,500 on both the side. Okay. Pradnya's total of credit side comes to 99,210 minus 67,500. So the remaining will be 31,710, and Vikram's credit side comes to 91,140 minus 45,000. The remaining will be 46,140. Now these amounts will be kept as loan in the firm. Is it clear to you? Now see, cash account I have made. See, by balance, to balance brought down, how much was the balance? 7,500. How much capital did Avni contribute in the firm? 37,500. How much amount did he bring for the goodwill? 30,000. Now total of all this, credit side, nothing has gone from the cash account. Okay. So the total is of the debit side comes to 75,000. Nothing is mentioned. So to balance carried down 75,000. Now here I have completed cash account also. Even though it is not asked, I have prepared to show you how the new cash balance comes as 75,000 in the new balance sheet.